Hi, I am Sneha from Chemical Department. Now I am going to present my oral presentation is about modern engineering. To start up and look, we just know the Albert Einstein's statement that scientists investigate that which already is, engineers create that which has never been. The modern engineering platform is a fusion of the Microsoft technology ecosystem, including Azure with Havana's global subject matter expertise. It minimizes the investments your company needs to make to benefit quickly from develops and Azure. From this slide, mechanical engineering and electronical engineering. Without mechanical engineers, we don't have a car or a train, vehicles, etc. And we couldn't able to ride through car, or we couldn't able to ride at a place with a fast and to save time. It plays an important role to an mechanical engineers in this field, and for the electrical engineers, we couldn't able to communicate, or we couldn't able to view any movies, or we can't able to watch TV, radios, and then we can't able to use smartphones also. Uh, in these things, engineers are playing major roles. From this slide, we are going to talk about communication engineering and computer engineering. So, without communication and computer engineering, we couldn't able to communicate. Because I don't ask that we can communicate through our mouth, because this is not like that. I'm just talking about the communication through an online, because through online is playing an more important role, because if we are staying in a home and we want to communicate via our brothers or our families who are staying in abroad, we cannot able to communicate easily, improving that society and improving the style of our life. We can easily able to communicate through WhatsApp chat, video calls, or video chats, anything. In this situation also, engineers are playing a very great role. Aeronautical engineers and civil engineers. From these engineers, we couldn't able to fly like our dreams, because flying is also one of dream of ours. So fly without an engineers, we couldn't able to fly through an aeroplane. And civil engineers, we can't have without civil engineers, we couldn't able to build an hand house also. It is very difficult to us to build an house, because engineers are very great nowadays, because they are building on a large and a huge buildings and apartments, flats, etc. Everything they are from old ages, they have been just a little staying in trees and lands, without anything and any shelters. They are able to just stay at a place like rocks holes, or very big trees or holes, like that they are staying. That wouldn't safe. After improving the knowledge, they are a little bit able to live in tree houses or bamboo houses. Then little bit they are creating themselves, and they are learning themselves, like to build something. We have to build from that. We are now calling their all they are engineers. From that we are now able to create such a wonderful life and a good place to live and shelters. Can you imagine a world without engineers? I couldn't able to imagine without any engineers, because now I'm living in an engineers world. Why I have to imagine without living an engineers? Basically, I am also going to be an engineer. Without an engineers, there would be no heat and air condition. If we are suffocating in the heat during the summer, we couldn't able to live. We need AC. What they are doing? Engineers are in that role. Photocopier machines, conference calls, printers, emails, or World Wide Web. The workday is over. And you need to stop and do a few errands. The role of engineers to tackle some of the world's biggest problems, helping to save lives and create fantastic new technological advancements that can improve the way we live. Engineers use devices like drones to detect and research survivors. Everything changes. Yes, technology is changing at a rapid pace. Have fun as we count down and we have had our own creations. Advancement every month. Um, Technological advancements that can improve the way we live. Engineers use devices like drones to detect and research survivors, help to build shelters and safe waters and waste disposal systems. Without engineering, any structures modern than a simple hunt would be impossible to build. Clean water, renewable energy. Oh, let's wait. Choose what suits you. We limit ourselves to finding the best, as otherwise we would probably never end the journey we are on. Yes, it's absolutely correct. Yeah. For me, it's choose the journey we are. Let's come move on to the journey. Why don't we are finding that best? Apart from the best, we have to find that extraordinary, fantastic. So let's move on to the journey. Clean water, renewable energy, safe transport, fast communication, life-saving medical equipments, foods in the shape, all rely on engineering solutions that make the world as safer, more comfortable, and exciting place to be. Such a contribution is invaluable to the smooth functioning of society and the well-being of its members. So we are proud to be an engineers. Thank you for your attention.